What's up, guys? Today we have with us Anker 10 port USB 3.0. Well, there's 7 3.0 and 3 Anker's PowerIQ on this, but there's 10 USB ports overall. So it comes in this box. It's made in China. Faster charging, industry leading, 20 million plus happy users. Let's break this tag. Okay, oh, there it is. Hang on, let me just jam it in there. It's actually quite minimal. There we have it. It's very small, just compared to my Note 10. It's about half the size of my Note 10. A little bit more than half. Has this kind of it is plastic, but it has this kind of matte rubbery finish on the sides and the back. On the top is plastic, so we have the 7 USB 3.0, the 3 Anker PowerIQ ports there, DC in, and this is their connector that you'd use to connect to your computer. Okay. Card in the box. Let's just have a look at this welcome guide. Specifications in lots of different languages. USB 3.07 port, data and charging hub, 12 volts / 5 amps, power adapter, 2.6 foot USB 3.0 cable, welcome guide. Dimensions, if you want dimensions, they're there. And yeah, it's in multiple languages. And Anker support QR code there. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Hang on. Come on. Okay. Okay, we have a big power brick. The power brick is about the same size as the port itself. Ziploc bags. This is the Anker. It's not in focus. It's not focusing. Anyway, this is the Anker USB cable. 2.6 feet. This goes into here. What's this? This is the UK adapter that goes to the power port. Get rid of that. So this will plug into here. Hang on a second. I'll plug this in just to see what it looks like when we plug stuff in. So let me just plug this in. So power is on. There's this small green light. It's like a power symbol. And I'll just do a quick test. Okay, so I got a bunch of USB flash drives. I'm gonna plug a bunch of them in and see how it works. That is connected. Yep, that's reading fine. Let's try another port. Just checking on my computer on the side here. Yep, that is working fine. Let me plug this in. Wow, I'll have another one just for good luck. Plug that in. They recognize really fast. Yep. Everything's reading fine. I'm just opening files. Text file is opening fine. Okay, let me just eject those out. Okay, let me try the IQ. So I've ejected those using the IQ ports. Okay, so these IQ ports are not for data compatibility, they're for charging. So let me get a charging cable and test that out. So I have USB going into here, USB-C going into my phone. 32 minutes until a full charge, which is not bad actually. Not bad at all. Do I have another cable? Yeah, I'll have to do some more testing and just use, but first unboxing, first looks. It works very well with the data recognition. The IQ is much, well, it is, there's this brick anyway. What is the voltage? So input is 100 to 240 volts, output 12 volts, 5 amps, 60 watts. So yeah, it's not using the laptop power, it's using its own mains to power this. Alright, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.